Hearing an annoying echo while using your HyperX Cloud Alpha cannot be good, especially when teammates hear repeated sounds or your own voice bounces back during chats. Many users notice party members complaining about echo, game audio leaking into the microphone, or voice calls sounding strange even though the headset seems connected properly. Sometimes the issue starts suddenly after changing audio settings or switching devices. In many situations, a HyperX Cloud Alpha echo issue can happen because of microphone sensitivity settings, audio feedback, loose connections, or temporary sound configuration problems. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the HyperX Cloud Alpha working properly again. Lower the headset volume slightly because very high audio levels may cause sound to leak into the HyperX Cloud Alpha microphone. 2. Check the microphone position and move it slightly farther from the headset speakers if needed. 3. Open sound settings and confirm echo cancellation or noise suppression features remain enabled if available. 4. Disconnect and reconnect the HyperX Cloud Alpha securely to refresh the audio connection properly. 5. Test voice chat or a microphone recording and confirm whether the echo disappears afterward.